Marisa here with our Time Poor, Move More series. This is tip number 6. So often during the day we'll find ourselves at the microwave waiting for something to heat up. Maybe it's 20 seconds. 20 seconds is a great time to be able to add your microwave march. Whilst you're waiting, start lifting those knees. Not only are you going to start to get blood flowing around your joints, you're going to lift your heart rate a little bit. Okay, great for mobility. 20 seconds is up. You've done 20 seconds of exercise. It goes ping, and you've just added some movement into your day.